Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change default Solana wallet to Brave wallet on Brave. So let's get started. Firstly, open Brave browser in your device, then tap on three dots icon. Next tap on settings. After that, tap on Brave wallet. Then you can see the option of default Solana wallet. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of Brave wallet. Select on it, then tap on done. So this is how you can change default Solana wallet to Brave wallet on Brave. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.